Hello everyone, welcome to the BTS Twin Ring 2021 Dalmajung unboxing. The release date of this twin set of rings was November 29th, 2021. It took quite a while to come to the US from Korea, and let's take a look at this special jewelry piece. So in the front it says Dalmajung, a very simple box. And inside is this beautiful bag for your ring to go into, embroidered. And here's the ring itself. It only came in a size 6 and no other sizes. But if you look at it, it does have the BTS logo on it. Beautiful silver jewelry with a flower in the back. And it's a jewel ring because this part comes out and you can have 2 rings. So let's take a look at how it looks. So separately, you can wear it like this, or even like this. It's very delicate silver jewelry. And you could put it together this and wear it just as one piece. So a gorgeous little set for your collection. It is made out of sterling silver and specially released for BTS to celebrate the fall festival. So thank you so much for attending my unboxing, and this has been the unboxing of the Twin Ring 2021 Dalmajung. And I hope if you like this ring, you're able to find one because it is just beautiful and delicate, and it can be worn in so many different ways on different fingers or even together or separately. But again, it only comes in a size 6. So thank you so much. See you at another unboxing.